People often ask us who comes to this 2-week program in the decision consulting. And we get people from a lot of different functional areas. A big one, of course, is people in strategic planning or in the finance function in their organization. We get people from enterprise risk management, and also often companies have the designation project team leader, project manager, and we get a lot of those folks as well. We've had people ask, I'm in the finance organization. I think I have skills to be seated at the decision-making table, but I need to learn more about how I can be an effective participant in those strategic decisions. And they have found that the decision consulting workshop does a very good job of preparing them for that role. I've also had someone who was being groomed to be the CEO of her company at one point, and the CFO insisted that she come to this 2-week program in order to learn the skills that we have, that we teach, everything from facilitation to structuring decisions to communicating with decision makers, as well as doing the analytics. So it worked for her.